Students, today I am going to teach you how we got that cross multiplication method that we studied in the previous video. So let me start. So to drive the cross multiplication method, we will take the standard form of pair of linear equations, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Another equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Now what we are going to do, we will be applying the elimination method on these two equations. So elimination method, assume the equations as equation 1 and 2, first step. Now we will equate the coefficient of x variable. So multiplying equation 1 by a2 and equation 2 by a1 and subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So what we will get when we multiply first equation by a2, so we will get a1 a2x plus a2 b1y plus a2 c1 equal to 0 into a2, 0. So we have to multiply on both sides. So second equation will become a1 a2x, we are multiplying with a1 b2y plus a1 c2 equal to 0. So now we will be subtracting, sign will change so that we can eliminate one of the variable. It may seems to you it is very tough, so many variables are there, but it is not difficult if you concentrate and do it. It is very easy. It is just like any other question you are doing by elimination method. So this will cut. So here we have a2b1y minus a1b2y plus a2c1 minus a1c2 equal to 0. Now we will take the terms on the other side, constant terms, and from these two we can take y common. So we will get a2b1 minus a1b2 and minus term will go that side, a1c2 will become positive and a2c1 will become negative. Now here it is multiplied, on the other side it will go, it will divide. So a1c2 minus a2c1 over a2b1 minus a1b2. So this is what we got here. Now we got the y value. It is a1c2 minus a2c1 over a2 minus b1, a2b1 minus a1b2. Now similar way we won't be putting the y value to get x, because you see y value is very you can say complicated. So to get x we will apply this method again, but this time we will equate the coefficients of y to eliminate y and get the value of x. So again multiplying equation 1 by b2 and equation 2 by b1 and subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So we have to multiply first. So a1 b2 x plus b1 b2 y plus b2 c1 equal to 0. Second equation we are multiplying by b1. So a2 b1 x plus b1 b2 y plus b1 c2 0. So sign will change because we have to subtract. Same way, the way we got y. So this time y will get eliminated. So we got a1 b2 minus a2 b1 into x plus b2 c1 minus b1 c2 equal to 0. So we will take the constant terms on the other side. So we get a1 b2 minus a2 b1 into x equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1. So next step is coefficient of x is here in multiply, so over there it will go and divide. So we will get x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 over a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So we got x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 over a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and y value we got a1 c2 minus a2 c1 over a2 b1 minus a1 b2. Now if you see sorry, now if you see, this denominator of x is a1 b2 minus a2 b1, whereas denominator of y is a2 b1 minus a1 b2. So friends, here we have to equate the denominators. We can make same by taking minus common, right? So we will be taking minus common so that we can equate the denominators. So how to do that? You see, I am going to do, here we have b1 c2 minus b2 c1 over a1 b2 minus a2 b1, whereas in y we have a2 b1 minus a1 b2. So here I am going to change this. I am going to write x over, I am bringing this numerator here, b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal to 1 over a1 b2 minus a2 b1, whereas y will be, first of all we have to change y. Now here we want a1 b2 this side, so we'll take minus common from both numerator and denominator. So we will get a2 c1 minus a1 c2, and from denominator also we'll take minus common. When we will take minus common, negative term will become positive and positive term will become negative. So minus minus cancel. Now we will write y in the similar way. We'll bring the numerator over that side, left hand side, so it will become denominator. You will come to know why we are doing so. Now you see, in this equation, see the right hand side, it is 1 over a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and now you see the right hand side of this equation, it is same, exactly same. It means if this right hand side of two equations is equal, then left hand side must be equal. So what we conclude here, we get x over b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal to y over a2 c1 minus a1 c2 equal to 1 over a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this is what we got. Now further, if you see here, can I write it in this way? b1 b2 c1 c2, and if I put cross, and the same way this one c1 c2 a1 a2, and I put cross, now you see, and equal to 1 over a1, whatever we have ended with y, same we have to start with 1, wherever we have ended with x, same we have to start y, right, to make a pattern. So a1 a2 b1 b2, and we'll put the crosses. Now you check, okay, if we multiply this b1 with c2 and b2 with c1 and we subtract the products, why we have to subtract? Because we derived that, we made this step from here, and what is here in between? The two terms minus. It means we have to subtract the product of lower left from the product of upper left, right? And same we have to do in case of y as well as 1. Now further, mathematicians when they derived this method, to make it easy for the students, what they did, they made it a diagram form, x y 1, and they wrote like this, so that students can learn it easily, because it is very difficult to learn, no? How can you remember this y equal to a1 c2 minus a2 c1 over a2 b1 minus a1 b2 and same x? You can't remember this, no? If you remember this, you can directly put the coefficients here and you will get x and y directly. But to make it easy for the students, easy to understand, mathematicians, when they derived this method, they wrote like this: c1 c2, instead of writing 2 times, they wrote for only 1 time, and here they wrote b1 b2, and they put the crosses. You see, they wrote the result of x and y in this form. And here if you see, if we take b as 2 and c as 3, a values as 1, b values as 2, so method becomes 2 3 1 2, and this is the diagram that we got from elimination method. So you can conclude cross multiplication method is nothing but derived from elimination method.